sorry for the 1050.
The
Alright, here it
National
is.
Weather Service in League City has issued a flash flood warning for Harris County in southeastern Texas until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated
I'm like going on a
thunderstorms
family
producing
trip.
heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 2 to 4 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include northwestern Pasadena, Galena Park, Tomball, Jacinto City, Jersey Village, Hunters Creek Village, Piney Point Village, North Side or North Line, Spring Valley, Greater Greens Point, Spring Branch North, Greater Heights, Aldine, Memorial Park, Spring Branch West, Afton Oaks, or River Oaks area, near Northside Houston, Fourth Ward, Northtown, or Montrose and downtown Houston. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
What the hell happened? What do you mean you don't know?
The